In this video, let's explore on how to use a portfolio widget of your classic add-ons plugin. First, open the Elementor editor and click on this plus icon to add a new section, or you can add it in your existing section. And here you can choose your preferred layout. And in the left sidebar, click on this widget and search for the portfolio widget. Simply click on it to add it in your section. And in the left sidebar, here you can see extra class. You can add your extra class for customizing this widget. And the next part is query. And here you can enter the number of posts you want to show per page. Let's change into 5. And the next one is author. You can choose your author name here. And the next one is categories. Here you can choose the categories you want to display. And the next option is exclude categories. Here you can choose the category you don't want to display. And the next one is include post. Choose the preferred post you want to display. And the next one is exclude post. Here you can choose the post you don't want to display. And this is the order by. Here you can choose the preferred order type like post ID, post author, title, date, and etc. Let's choose title. And the next option is order. Here you can choose from descending or ascending. The next part is layouts. Here you can change the preferred alignment. And the next one is accept length. Here you can enter preferred length for the description. And the next option is post layout. Here you can choose it from default, classic, modern, classic, pro, or list. Let's choose classic pro. And the next one is post to columns. Here you can choose your preferred column. Let's choose 2 columns. And the next one is read more text. Here you can enter your read more text. And here you can enable or disable the post to mastery layout. And the next one is post to variation. You can choose it from light or dark. And these are the post items. Here you can enable the needed items to the enabled area. Also you can disable unwanted items to this disabled area. Let's enable future image and title. And the next one is post overlay items. Here you can enable or disable it. Drag and drop needed items to the enabled area. And the next one is post top meta. Here you can choose preferred items to this left and right. The next option is post bottom meta. Here you can enable needed items to the left and right. The next part is title. Here you can choose your preferred title tag size. And the next part is image. Here you can choose the preferred image resolution from these options. And the next option is slide. Here you can enable or disable it. And this is the slide items. You can enter the number of slides you want to display on the desktop. And this is the items on the tab. You can enter the preferred slide items you want to show on the tab. And this is for mobile. You can enter the preferred slide items to display on the mobile. And here you can enable or disable all these autoplay, loop, item center option, and navigation and pagination. And this is the items margin. Here you can enter the preferred value with pixels for giving space between the items. And the next one is items duration. Here you can change the duration as per your preference. Also you can change the speed of this slide. And this is the item slide by. Here you can enter the value that how many items move at once when you scroll. The next part is links. Here you can enable or disable target blank and no follow for all this image, title, and read more links. Let's moving on to the style. And here you can change the color, background color, and the box shadow of the post grid. Also, you can enable the box shadow and adjust the box shadow style here. Also, you can change it for overview too. And this is the padding. And here you can enter the preferred inner space value for this grid here. Then export as title. Here you can change the title transform like capitalized, uppercase or lowercase. And this is the color. You can change the title color in the normal and overview. And the next one is title scale. Here you can adjust the size of the title. And this is the margin. Here you can enter outer space value for the title. Let's give 20 pixel each side. And the next one is padding. Here you can enter inner space value for the title. Let's give 15 pixels. And let's remove the space in the padding top. And this is the spacing. Here you can adjust the bottom space of the title. And the next one is typography. Here you can change font family and font style of the title. The next part is links. Here you can change the color of the default post link in the normal and overview. And the next one is top meta links. You can change your preferred color in the normal and overview. Also, you can change your bottom meta links color in the normal and overview here. And this is for overlay links. You can change it in the normal and overview. And the next part is image. Here you can choose the image style like rounded, circled or squared. And this is the image resize option. Here you can adjust the size of the image. And the next one is image spacing. Here you can adjust the image bottom space here. And here you can change your preferred color for image here. And this is the padding. Here you can enter preferred inner space value for the image. And this is the border type. You can choose preferred border type for the image here. And the next part is read more button. You can choose text shadow option for the button here. And this is the transform. You can choose from capitalized, uppercase and lowercase. And the next one is text color. You can change the button text color and background color in the normal and overview. And this is the border type. You can choose your preferred type. And here you can change border radius. This is the box shadow. You can enable it and you can adjust the position of the box shadow. And this is padding. Here you can enter inner space value for the button. The next option is typography. Here you can change font family and font style of the button. And the next option is meta. Here you can change the typography of the top meta. Also you can change the top meta space. And the next one is bottom meta. Here you can change font family and font style. Also you can change the space of the bottom meta here. The next part is content. Here you can change the content color. Also you can change font family and font style of the content here. And here you can adjust the spacing of the content. Also you can change this in the overview too. The next part is overlay. Here you can change font family and font style of the overlay. And here you can enter inner space value for the overlay. And this is the position top. Here you can adjust the top position of the overlay. And this is the post left. Here you can adjust the left space of the overlay. And here you can change the overlay color, and this is the background color. You can change it for overlay in the normal and overview. Finally update it and let's check it in the output.